Still managing your cleaning service business with phone calls, notebooks, and WhatsApp? Missing bookings, forgetting addresses, or maybe your cleaners are getting double booked. Are your customers tired of waiting or confused about pricing? In 2025, customers want everything on demand, from food to laundry. Yes, even cleaning. But traditional cleaning businesses get lost in phone calls, manual scheduling nightmares, cleaner no-shows, zero real-time tracking, missed payments, and messy accounts. Sound familiar? You are not alone. The app that fixes it all. Say hello to your on-demand cleaning services app. A simple, powerful tool to automate bookings, track cleaners, and grow your business. Whether it's home cleaning, office deep cleaning, sofa, shampooing, or pest control, your customer can book it in just 3 taps, and your team organized, on time, and stress-free. Customer app. Book cleaning services instantly. We use service types, prices, and availability. Schedule for now or later. Track cleaner live on map. Chat support and ratings. Pay online like from UPI card and wallet. Get invoices and history. Cleaner app. Get assigned bookings with location. Start, pause, and complete jobs. Upload before-after photos. Navigate with in-app maps. Track earnings. Accept or reject new requests. Admin panel. Add added services and prices. Manage team bookings, zones. Real-time booking overview. Track cleaners' performance. Manage payments and commissions. See reports and analytics. Business benefits, emotion plus impact. More bookings, less manual work, save time and reduce phone chaos. Get paid faster with online payments. No missed customers, no overbooking. Track everything in one place. Oh, and yes, you can finally say goodbye to the whiteboard in your office. Development, timeline, and cost. Basic version 3 to 4 months. Advanced multi-city of franchisee based 5 to 6 months. Flexible payment plans and affordable packages. Let your dream business start without breaking the bank. Why choose us? Because we have 10 plus years of app development experience, 20 plus service-based app delivered, 700 plus projects completed, 50 plus experts, UI, UX, devs, QA, and PMS. Fixed price or hourly, weekly progress updates, 3 months free post-delivery support, 100% ownership and source code provided. In 2025, cleaning should be digital, not dusty. So, if you are ready to clean up your business operation and make your services shine in the digital world, book your free demo today. Let's build your on-demand cleaning app together.